Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yesterday we learned Durusul Lughah al-Arabiya, lesson number 13, the grammar of the lesson. Today we will learn the lesson. First juz. First part. This lesson have 3 parts. Today we will learn first part. Yesterday we learned Haulai is the plural of Haza and Hazihi. Man haula il fityatu tiwalu ya aliyu. O Ali, who are these tall young men? Fityatu tiwalu, tall young men. Who are these young tall men, O Ali? Man haulai, haulai mean these. Fityatu, this is the plural of fatan. Fityatu tiwalu, tall young men. Who are these young tall men, O Ali? Hum tullabun jududun. Hum is a plural of huwa. Hum is a plural of huwa. Hum tullabun jududun. They are new students. Min aina hum, from where they are. Min aina hum, from where they are. Hum min America. Hum min America, they are from America. This is proposition harf-jar. America is mamnu min as-sarf. America is mamnu min as-sarf, so it will not take kasra. America will not take kasra. Hum min America, they are from America. Ahum zumala uka, are they your colleagues? Zumala uka, your colleagues, your classmate.
Sati.
Ahum zumala uka, are they your colleagues, their classmates? Naam hum zumalai, yes, they are my class fellow, my classmate. Hum fi fasli, they are in my class. Hum fi fasli, they are in my class. Ahum mujtahiduna, are they hardworking? Mujtahiduna, hardworking. Are they hardworking? Naam hum mujtahiduna, yes, they are hardworking. Yes, they are hardworking. Hum, they, mujtahiduna, hardworking. Mujtahiduna is plural of mujtahidun. Ma asma'uhum, what are their names? Asma'uhum, their names. What are their names? Asma'u is mudaf and hum is mudaf ilay. Their names. Asma'uhum, asma'u mudaf, hum mudaf ilay. Asma'uhum, their names are Yasirun, Yasir wa Zakaria, Zakaria wa Musa, and Musa wa Abdullahi, and Abdullah. Abdullah, Abdu is mudaf and Allahi is mudaf ilay. In Arabic, we use this waw after every noun. Wa Zakariya, wa Musa, wa Abdullah. But when we translate in Arabic, in English, we only use and at the before the last name. So we translate. Their names are Yasir, Zakariya, Musa, and Abdullah. And we will use here at the and Abdullah. When we translate in English, we will skip this waw. We will not translate this waw. وَمَنْ هَؤُلَاءِ الرِّجَالُ الْقِصَارُ. And who are these short men? Rijal, men, Kisar means short. And who are these short men? This is plural of Rajulun. And who are these short men? Hum Hujjajun. Hum Hujjajun. They are pilgrims. They are pilgrims. They are Haji. They are pilgrims. Min ainahum. From where they are. Where are they from? Where are they from? From where they are? Ba'aduhum. Minasini. Some of them are from China. Wa ba'aduhum minal Yabani. And some of them are from Japan. Ba'adu. Ba'adu is Modaf. Ba'adu is Modaf and hum is Modafilai. Ba'aduhum minasini. Some of them are from China. Wa ba'aduhum minal Yabani. And some of them are from Japan. So Ba'adu Modaf and hum Modafilai. Ainal Mustafa wa asdiqa'uhu. Where is Mustafa and his friends? Asdiqa'uhu, his friends. Asdiqa'u is Mudaf and who is Mudafilai? Who is Mudafilai? Asdiqa'uhu, his friends. Asdiqa'u Mudaf and who is Mudafilai? Zahabu, they went. Ilal mat'ami, to the restaurant. We learned in the lesson yesterday, Zahabu is we use for third person masculine plural. Zahabu we use for the third person masculine plural. Ghaib muannas jama. Ghaib muannas jama. Oh, sorry. Ghaib muzakkar jama. Ghaib muzakkar jama. Zahabu ilal mat'ami. They went to the restaurant. Okay. So, any of you want to read this one? Any of you want to read and translate? Okay. We move forward. Okay, we do the exercise. We follow this example. Haza talibun. This is a student. This is Haza is ismul ishara for muzakkar singular. And haulai is for ismul ishara This is the plural of haza. Ismul ishara lil qarib, lil jamma. So this is plural of haza. So we will use here haulai. Okay. Haulai tulabun. These are students. So we just have to put here all here haulai. At the end, haulai tujarun, haulai hujajun, haulai rijalun, haulai kibarun, haulai sigarun, haulai qisarun, haulai tiwalun, haulai auladun, haulai abnaun, haulai a'mamun, haulai shuyukhun. So you only put here haulai. Tulabun students, tulabun students, tujarun merchants, hujajun pilgrims, rijalun men, kibarun big, sigarun simal, samal kisarun short, kisarun means short, tiwalun tall, auladun children and boys, abnaun sons, a'mamun uncles, shuyukhun teachers are the old man. Okay. So same here, duyufun, haulai duyufun, these are guests. Haulai zumala'u, these are classmates. Haulai fuqara'u, these are poor. Haulai aghniya'u, these are rich. Aghniya'u, rich. Haulai asdiqa'u, these are friends. Haulai atibba'u, these are doctors. Atibba'u, doctors. Haulai fityatun, these are young boys. Young boys, young men, we call it fityatun. Haulai ikhwatun, these are brothers. Ikhwatun, brothers. Haulai jududun new. These are new. Haulai mudarrisuna, these are teachers. Mudarrisuna, teachers. Haulai fallahuna, these are farmers. Fallahuna, farmers. Haulai mujtahiduna, these are hardworking. Mujtahiduna, hardworking. These are hardworking. Haulai muslimuna, haulai muslimuna, these are Muslims. And in this, man hazar rajulu huwa hajun. Who is this man? Who is this man? Huwa hajun, he is pilgrim. So we will change into plural. Haza, haulai. Ar-rajulu, ar-rijalu. Huwa, plural of huwa is whom. Hajun, Plural of hajun is hujjajun. So we will follow like this and we will complete this exercise. Min aina hazat talibu, from where this student is. Huwa minal Hindi, he is from India. So the plural of haza, haulai, talibun, tulabun, huwa haulai. Man haula ittulabu, hum minal Hindi, hum minal Hindi. Aina tajirul kabiru, aina tajirul kabiru. Where is the big merchant? Where is the big merchant? Tajiru at-tujaru. Tajiru, the plural of at-tajiru is at-tujaru. The plural of al-kabiru is al-kibaru. Aina tujarul kibaru. Aina tujarul kibaru. Huwa fis suki, hum fis suki. The plural of huwa is hum. Hum fis suki. Aina al-mudarrisul jadidu. Mudarrisul jadidu aina al-mudarrisunal jududu. The plural of mudarris is al-mudarrisuna. The plural of al-jadid is al-jududu. Ainal mudarrisul jududu hum indal mudiri. Huwa indal mudiri. The plural of huwa is hum. Hum indal mudiri. They are with the headmaster. In the mean with. They are with the headmaster. Aina talibul jadidu. Where is the new student? Aina tulabul jududu. Aina tulabul jududu. Where are the new students? Ahuwa fil fasli. Ahum fil fasli. The plural we will put here. Plural of huwa. Ahum fil fasli. Ahazat talibu ghaniyun. Ahazat talibu ghaniyun. Ahaulai. Ahaulai tullabu aghniyau. Ahaulai tullabu aghniyau. The plural of ghaniyun is aghniyau. La, no. Huwa faqirun. Hum fuqara'u. Hum fuqara'u. They are poor. The plural of faqirun is fuqara'u. Man hazar rajulu. Who is this man? Man haula irrijalu. Man haula irrijalu. Who are these men? What the daifun? He is guest. He is guest. Whom do you fu? Whom do you fun? The plural of huwa is whom. The plural of daifun is do you fun. Li akhun kabirun. Li akhun kabirun. I have big brother. Li ikhwatun. The plural of akhun is ikhwatun. Li ikhwatun kibarun. Li ikhwatun kibarun. Huwa talibu bil jamiati. Huwa talibun fil jamiati. He is student in the university. Hum tulabun bil jamiati. Hum tulabun bil jamiati. They are students in the university. Aina sadiquka, where is your friend? Aina asdiqauka. Aina asdiqauka, where are your friends? Zahaba ilal maktabati, he went to the library. Zahaba, we will change into zahabu. They went. Zahaba, he went. Zahabu, they went. Zahabu ilal maktabati, they went to the library. Muhammadun lahubnu saghirun. Muhammadun lahubnu. This alif we don't read. This alif we don't read. Lahubnu. Lahubnun saghirun. Muhammad have small child or small son. Muhammad have small son. Muhammad has small son. Muhammadun lahubnun saghirun. Muhammad have small son. So how we will change it? Muhammadun lahu abnaun sigarun. Abnaun sigarun. The plural of ibnun is abnaun. The plural of saghirun is sigarun. Muhammadun lahu abnaun sigarun. Huwa talibun fil madrasati. Huwa talibun fil madrasati. Hum tullabun. Hum tullabun fil madrasati. They are students in the school. They are students in the school. Azamiluka mujtahidun, is your colleague is hardworking. Azamiluka, zamiluka, your colleague. Is your colleague hardworking? Naam, yes. Huwa mujtahidun, he is hardworking. Azumalauka, the plural of zamiluka is zumalauka mujtahiduna. Azumalauka mujtahiduna, are your friends hardworking? Naam, hum mujtahiduna, yes, they are hardworking. So this one, abna'uhu, his son. We will change this one into his son. Mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Abna'un and Muhammadun. So it will be abna'u Muhammadin. Abna'u Muhammadin. Muhammad's sons. Abna'u Muhammadin, Muhammad's sons. So asma'un tulabin. Asma'ut tulabi. It will be like this. Okay, I do it again. Abna'u Muhammadin. This is mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Abna'uhu. We will put here pronoun. Zamir muttasil. We will put here attached pronoun, possessive pronoun. Abna'uhu, his sons. And same we will use these pronouns. Asma'ut tulabi, student's name. Asma'ut tulabi, asma'uhum. Asma'uhum, their names. Zumala'u Hamidin, Hamid's friend. Zumala'u Hamidin, Hamid's friend. So it will be Zumala'uhu. This ka is, we cannot use second person. Here will be same like this, who. Zumala'uhu, his colleagues. Zumala'u Hamidin, Hamid's colleague. Zumala'uhu, his colleagues. Asdiqa'ul mudarrisi, teacher's friend. And it will be asdiqa'uhu. Asdiqa'uhu, Zumala'uhu, asma'uhum, their names, his colleagues, his friends. At-talibu zahaba ilal matami, the student went to the restaurant. At-talibu zahaba ilal matami, the student went to the restaurant. We have to change into the plural. At-talibu, the plural of at-talibu is at-tulabu. The plural of zahaba is zahabu. At-tulabu zahabu ilal matami. The students went to the restaurant. So you follow this one and you have to complete this one. At-talibu jalasa fil fasli. At-tulabu jalasu fil fasli. It will be jalasu fil fasli. Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-madrasati. Kharaju min al-madrasati. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-madrasati. At-tajiru zahaba ila suki, the tajir went to the market. At-tujaru zahabu ila suki, the merchants went to the market. And this is, we have to simple read and translate. At-tulabu fil fasli, the students are in the class. At-tulabu, the students are in the class. Man haula il awladu, who are these boys? Man haula il awladu, who are these children? Ahum abna'uka, are they your sons? La, no. Hum abna'u akhi, they are my brother's son. They are my brother's sons. Abna'u akhi, my brother's son. Man haula in nasu, who are these people? Nasu, people. Who are these peoples? Hum hujajun min Turkiya. They are pilgrims from Turkey. Aina tujaru. Where are the merchants? Zahabu ila suki. They went to the market. They went to the market. Man haula irrijalu. Who are these men? Whom do you find? They are merchant. Oh, sorry, they are guests. They are guests. Al-Fallahuna fil huquli farm. Al-Fallahuna fil huquli wa abna'uhum fil madrasati. The farmers are in the field and their sons are in the school. And their sons are in the school. Ainat tulabul jududu. Where are the new students? Ba'duhum fil fasli. Some of them are in the class. Wa ba'duhum in the mudiri. And some of them are with the headmaster, principal. Ammami tujarun kabirun. Sorry. My uncles. Mami, my uncles, tujarun kibarun, my uncles are big merchant. My uncles are big merchant. Haulai ikhwati, these are my brothers. Haulai ikhwati, these are my brothers. Aina abna'uka ya Aliyu? O Ali, where are your sons? Hum fid dukani, they are at the shop. Hum fid dukani, they are at the shop. At-tulabul kibaru fil mal'abi wa tulabul sigaru fil fasli. The big students are in the playground. Mal'abi, playground. The big students are in the playground. Watulabus sigaru fil fasli, and the small students are in the class. Haula il fatiyatu ikhwatun. These young boys are brothers. These young boys are brothers. Abuhum imamu hazal masjidi. Abuhum imamu hazal masjidi. Their father is imam in this masjid. Haula irrijalu fallahuna min qaryati. These men are farmer. These men are farmer from my village. Min qaryati, from my village. Qaryati, my village. These men are farmers from my village. Ainat tullabul jududu. Where are the new students? Kharaju, or they went out. Or they went out. Naam kharaju wa zahabu ila al-maktabati. Naam kharaju. Yes, they went out. Wa zahabu ila al-maktabati. And zahabu ila al-maktabati, and went to the library. Haula il atibba'u muslimuna. Are these doctors are Muslims? Are these doctors are Muslims? Naam hum muslimuna. Yes, they are Muslims. Li abna'i सिगारुन, ली अबनाउन, I have, ली अबनाउन सिगारुन, I have small sons. ली अबनाउन सिगारुन, I have small sons. बादुहुम फिल मदरसातिल इब्तिदायती, some of them are in primary school, elementary school. व बादुहुम फिल मदरसातिल मुतवस्सताती, and some of them are in middle school. And this is the plurals you have to write. Kabirun, kibarun, muslimun, muslimuna, rajulun, rijalun, ibnun, abnaun. So you can write this one. And these are the new words we learned in this lesson. Al-haqlu mean field, where the farmer work. An-nasu, people. Al-qaryatu, village. Ad-daifu, guest. Ash-shaykhu, old man or professor or well-learned person, scholar. Ash-shaykhu, scholar. Al-mat'amu, restaurant. Al-madrasatul ibtidayatu, primary school. Al-madrasatul ibtidayatu, primary school or elementary school. So this was our lesson for today. So, inshallah, tomorrow we will learn the second part of this lesson. I will share the recording. Inshallah, you can watch this again. Ila liqai ma'as-salama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.